2012, nung lumipat kami sa Pila, na-meet ko siya una doon.
We were introduced by my classmate in CMP na inyong kapitbahay.
We were wild, we were foolish for each other. There was nothing that could pull us far apart.
Eh sir, as usual, kunwari, iyak-iyakad na may pupuntahan, kunwari, kasama siya. Basta as long as kasama siya. Pero siya talaga yung pakay. Kumbaga, dinadamay lang.
Sinong mag-aakala na tayo na pala ang magiging mag-partner sa habang buhay?
Take me, break me, turn me around. I'm a fool for your love, I swear it's true. Wake me, shake me, show me the route. I'm all tied up in knots when I'm with you. We felt lost.
Mas naging, mas naging fulfilling yung relationship first. And then, syempre, iba na pag may baby. So, kasama na siya sa pangarap namin.
I love you, Maxi, anak. I love you, my boy, our dada, always and forever. Love, her momster.
Can we make it to forever, or will we slowly drift apart? Don't wanna be that same old story. I wanna die in your arms. When the waters come between us, will we turn the other way? I know it's all so familiar, but I don't wanna let it fade. Take me, break me, turn me around. I'm a fool for your love, I swear it's true. Wake me, shake me, show me the route. I'm all tied up in knots when I'm with you.
More babies soon. Pero matagal pa naman siguro, sir. Yun lang, sir.
Hi, boy. I love you so much. Louie, my boy, dada, and now my husband. I remember the first time we met.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng Panginoon at mga mahal natin sa buhay. At ako'y nanunumpat, nangangako na ika'y aalagaan, iingatan at susuportahan.
You are always willing to put a smile on my face and to make me laugh.
Gumawa tayo ng masasayang alaala habang tayo nabubuhay.
You are more than what I asked for.
Spirit soaring, I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Thank you for holding my hand when I feel lost. Thank you for praying with me pag sobrang gulo na sa ating paligid.
We can be each other's constant. As long as we choose each other, makakaya natin lahat.
So my heart, we traded heaven to have me again. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit soaring. I touched the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Louie and Colleen. Ang pag-ibig ay mayroong romantikong sandali. Kaya lang ay dapat alam ng mag-asawa kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng kasal.
To feel again, everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again, and my soul dance on the wings of forever. If I
are not giving up on me in the days na hindi na ako kamahal-mahal.
And as long as Jesus Christ is in the center of our relationship, makakaya natin lahat.
Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, ikikis pa din kita bago matulog at pagkamulat ng mata sa umaga.
When we sit there, my heart beating, my soul breathing, I found my life. We laid it down, a word for me, spirits align, I touch the sky. When we sit there, I found me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again. And my soul will dance on the wings of forever.
Hinding-hindi ako magsasawang alagaan, pagsilbihan, ipagluto ng pagkaing masasarap, ipagtimpla ng cup mo, at kakamuti ng likod mo. Thank you for always making our little family as your priority. Ang hindi ko lang mapapangako ay ang alisin ang toyo ko.